Hello guys, it's time to celebrate small wins. And one of these wins is to cracking my new all-time high of 18,126. And we just look into the future and never see what is happening currently. As we have new all-time highs, the market could crash anytime. And I have as well a new record in my unrealized profit of over 3,400. I have to imagine how it would look like if it would be 6 figures or 7 figures and how much money and profit it would be. But we are celebrating the moments right now. So let us check first of all, before I start my new stocks and ETFs, my performance, because this is something which I really like right now. I'm not able to outperform the S&P 500 because if we compare it against my portfolio, I lose. And that is the reason why I want to buy more of it. You can learn right with this graph. If the market is dropping, your portfolio is dropping as well. And if the market is going well, your portfolio will go well. The single stocks that I have currently are just a try to outperform the market. And it's pretty hard to study all the time the situation in the market, be up to date with the news, and that is even more important, sell at the right time. I put around 350 Swiss francs into my portfolio, and first of all, I need to convert it, otherwise I'm not able to buy my US stocks and ETFs. I let around 5 francs on my account, and I will have after my currency change 433 USD, and I still have around $18 on my broker. Let us first preview it, and we see the commissions are 160 francs, and submit my order. After that, if we go into my portfolio and check at the bottom my amounts that I have, it is 340 Swiss francs left, and I have a buying power of around 451 USD. So since we are here with my stocks, it's time to celebrate the small things like I mentioned in the beginning. And I want to crack as well over 10 shares of Amazon. And maybe one day I will laugh about it, to have just 10 shares of Amazon. And they're almost again at their all-time high of 236 or even 240. But what matters is, in the future, it will be double or triple the amount that I invested in right now. So I want to buy 120 USD in Amazon share. So I will have a little bit over half of a share. Let us preview it. And the commissions and fees are insane with just 35 cents. Submit my order. And it is pre-submitted, and we have to wait until my order is done. And the second thing that I want to do with the rest amount that I have right now is buying my S&P 500. And it's insane how much it jumped after the dip in April. And you will profit a lot as well with an ETF, and it is still outperforming my portfolio. I as well want to mention it is currently at the all-time high. But like always, I think in decades, guys. I don't think what is happening tomorrow in a week or two, will it dip or not? I will buy every month my S&P 500 until I reach 100 to 200k in that, and maybe look further if I see something else, or split it, or change my strategy at all. But until that, there's no way I won't be rich, wealthy, and successful. I believe in God, I believe in my mission, and I believe in the reason why I'm here in this world. I will buy 325 USD as well here to get a little bit over half of a share, in this case half of an ETF, and wait until the market is opened. See again the 35 cents as a commission and fee, which is nothing in comparison to other broker, and submit my order. Both of my orders are pending right now, and I have to wait. And until that, guys, it is your life, your decisions. You can do whatever you want with your money, but don't forget to celebrate the small steps. If you see my personal journey, it is insane to see just in a little bit over 1 year what a normal 9 to 5 and working hard is able to do with your life. And I am still waiting until this day to earn my money with the things that I really love. And I love to speak with you, teach you stuff, show you my journey, and grow together. And the next video, after my transfer is done, you will see I will crack as well over 10 positions in my VOO ETF. Hopefully you could learn something today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.